Hello students, with this tutorial I would like to make two pages named index.html, commona.html covering all the topics of class 7 and then turn these web pages into a website. Okay, let's see how to do it. First we'll create the first page, that is index.html. You can see I have opened Notepad and I have added HTML tags. Click on File, Save, and then choose the folder and use double inverted commas. Then write the name as index.html and save. Use the same place, just use save as. Same way, write html/html and use save as to name it commona.html within double inverted commas. Do not forget double inverted commas or quote. It is nearby. Enter on your keyboard. Okay. Then let's make a folder where you have to keep the requirements of these pages, that is the images we are going to use and the HTML files. It will look like this. See, I have made a folder called HTML tutorial. I have made a folder called HTML tutorial and I have downloaded few images of cars, and those two files which I have just created are also there. They all should be inside a folder. Let's continue. Now there is a website called netlify.com which allow us to host our HTML web pages or any other web pages for free. That's what matters here. So what we will do, we will make a netlify.com account. How to do it? Click sign up and use sign up with email. Enter any email ID and make a password. Enter a email and you need to make a password of 10 characters. That will be for netlify.com and click sign up. Once you click sign up, you will get a verification email. You need to open that email. Okay, click on it. Click on verify email. Then it will open the Netlify account of yours. There you need to make few entries, like here I have chosen school, then something else. I am using it for the tutorial, so I am writing tutorial. You can write anything. I am a teacher, you know that. And continue to deploy. So the profile has opened. I'll skip this step for now. So my Netlify profile is there, where I have this option deploy manually, and I will be using this drag and drop option. Let's put the content in the created web pages. Let's complete the index.html file now. I have started with HTML tag, then there is head tag, then there is title tag. Inside the title tag, the title text is tutorial on HTML. Then head tag ends, body tag starts. Then there is h1 tag with center alignment. Font face is Mistral, size is 14, color is blue. The text for the body is I am going to cover all topics of your book, make 2 web pages, and then make it live on internet. Then H1 tag ends. P means paragraph. Paragraph tag starts. Alignment is center. Font color is green. Size is 5. That means the text which is used under this paragraph tag will be of size 5. Then you can see there is A and href. Href stands for hyperlink reference, okay, and A is the tag to put a link with a text. So here the web page linked is commona.html and the text is commona car, okay, and the font tag ends here. With the help of Ahref, you can link web pages to your text. Then there is HR. HR stands for horizontal ruler. Width of the ruler is 1050, size is 6, and color is red, and alignment is center. Here the alignment is with the whole screen. Then the paragraph tag ends. Then we have description list where DT tag makes the topic of the description, where I have written dear students, and slash DT ends the description topic. Then with a gap in the next line you will have DD, that is D for description here, description definition or description you can say. The font size is 5 and I have written attempt to learn and practice. DT tag ends here. I have put a break so that there is a one line gap after it. Then the body has ended and the HTML file is completed. So index.html is this. Let's see how it looks on the browser. See here, tutorial on HTML is the title. The H1 heading 1 is this. Here is your Commona car which is linked to the Commona page, and here is your description list where description topic is dear students and one message for you. When we click on the Commona car, I can see another page which is 4 wheels on budget, and this is the page. Let's see how I have made this page. So let's see the commona.html file preparation. As usual, HTML tag starts it, head tag is there. 4 wheels on budget is the title of this page. Then the body starts where H1, that is heading 1, is the heading for the page, which is 4 wheelers on requirement basis. Then these tags ends. Then we have paragraph tag opened. Font color is green, size is 5. The text here is, this site is trying to ask a commoner to switch from 2 wheels to 4 wheels for the sake of family. But here you can see that there is BR tag. BR tag stands for break tag. That means this site is trying, ends here, and the next line will have to ask a commoner to then switch from 2 wheels to 4 wheels for the sake of family. Okay, this way the break tag is used where the next line starts in the next line. That's all. simple. Next, once again, I have used a horizontal ruler, that is HR, H for horizontal, R for ruler, and paragraph tag ends here. Here also I have used the description list where I have used companies as the description, and I have written a line for the companies with DD. So T stands for topic and D stands for description. Then I have used a break tag again to leave a one line gap. Then here we have introduced table. So the border of the table is 2, border color is brown, back color, BG color means background color is light blue, and alignment is center. Here the heading of the tables is TH, which are company, model, specification and image. Okay, then I have TR, which stands for table row. I have row span 3, that means the first row is merging 3 columns. I'll show you in the page. Then I have font size 10. I have used orange red color, and the company used here is Maruti Suzuki. Then the first model is again part of the row, that is K10, Alto K10. Then I have used here OL tag. OL means ordered list. It will create a numbered text, and the type is 1. That means it will use 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. Next is LI is the part of that ordered list. LI stands for list. That means price is number 1, mileage is number 2, engine is number 3, safety number 4, fuel type number 5, transmission number 6, and seating capacity number 7. Accordingly, I have the descriptions here. Alright. Next row carries the image, which is alto k10.png, where the tag is img space src equal to name of the image file within double inverted commas. Please see these double inverted commas. These are very important. It is nearby the enter key on your keyboard on the left hand side, and you need to use shift to add double inverted comma to your text. Here the row ends. Let's go to the web page to see it in detail. Here is the web page. You can see four-wheelers on requirement basis as the heading of the page, and here this site is trying I had a BR tag. So the next line, to ask a commoner to switch from 2 wheels to 4 wheels for the sake of family, are in the next lines. Here commoner is made bold. Here 2 wheels to 4 wheels are made underline, and family is italic by using the tags B under slash B, then U slash U, and I slash I. Next is your table where the heading was company, model, specification and image. You can see the company Maruti Suzuki used row span, so it is spanning from three rows. Then the first model is Alto K10, and I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 because of the OL tag, and then I have the image. The next part of the page is just copy paste, where I have used the same concept for the other models, like this one is Espresso, okay, this one is Celerio. Same model, same way of doing it, copy and paste. I am just scrolling it up. Okay, see, now the page ends here. The last part is, look at the page. When I scroll down, I have this home button here, which is done using this ahref index.html, and home is the text. If you click on home, index.html page will open again. So, okay. Now, one more thing to note here is these two are web pages stored in your storage device. So the storage place or the storage location here is E drive HTML tutorial folder and index.html file for this page, and for the commoner page it is E drive HTML tutorial folder commoner.html. So these are basically HTML web pages, and by the end of this video, I will make this two web pages into a website having an URL. Let's host the web pages on netlify.com and make them live. Let's make both the pages live on internet. For that, we need to open a website called netlify.com, netlify.com. I have shown you earlier how to make the account in this website. Now I will just log in. When I click on login, I will find that it has already logged in to my account. When I scroll it down, I will find this option which says deploy manually, and I have browse to upload. So I'll just click on it and then go to the place where I have put everything in a folder, and that folder is HTML tutorial. I am clicking on it and clicking on upload. It is giving me a message and I'll click on upload. Once it is uploaded, I have to wait for a while and click on get started. Okay. Once I click on get started, I have my site uploaded. So I'll click it here, and then I have this option where my site is visible here. But before that, I'll go to site configuration, and then I'll go to change site name, and instead of all these I'll put a name for the website which will be like this: HTML tutorial C7. Let me see. Save. It is already taken, so I'll just remove 7 from here and click on save. Okay, so the name of the website now is html tutorial c.netlify.app. So if I copy it here, okay, copy it here and open a tab, then paste it and enter, then I will find that my website is already live and the URL is html tutorial c.netlify.app. When I click on commoner car, I'll find the commoner page open. Again, when I scroll down, check everything here and click on home, then I can go back to the home page. So the website is ready using HTML web pages. Thank you.